Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ihsan Rusyono. In this video, I would like to discuss about the alimentation's responsibility of adult children to elderly parents. Why are the elderly easily victim of neglect? Parents often find themselves in vulnerable positions, making them vulnerable to being ignored for several reasons such as: first, family dependency. As individuals age, they may become increasingly dependent on their family members for care and support. This dependency can lead to neglect if family members fail to fulfill their responsibilities. The legal framework emphasizing that adults, children have an obligation to meet the needs of their elderly parents, but when these obligations are not met, neglect can occur. The second, economic challenges. Many parents may face financial difficulties, which can exacerbate their vulnerabilities. When children are in a bad financial situations, they still have a legal obligations to support their parents. However, economic tensions can lead the reason to neglect their responsibility, leaving parents without the necessary support. The third, social isolations. Older people often experience social isolations, especially if they live alone or have limited social interactions. These isolations can make it easier for abandonment to occur, as they may be favor people advocating for their needs or paying attention to the sign of abandonment. 4. Legal and institutions gaps. While there are laws in place to protect parents, enforcement can be inconsistent. There are legal provisions to hold children accountable for neglect. But if these laws are not effectively enforced, elderly individuals may be unprotected and vulnerable to neglect. In summary, this combination of dependency, economic challenge, social isolation, and gap in legal protection contribute to the ease with which parents can fall victim to neglect. The next is, what are the solutions to prevent neglect in the elderly? To effectively prevent neglect among the elderly, a multifaceted approach is needed, such as: first, strengthening the legal framework. This is the critical to improving the existing law enforcement mandates that mandate adult children to provide care for their elderly parents. This highlights that legal obligations exist, but they need to be enforced more strictly to ensure compliance and accountability for family members. The second, raising awareness and education. Education family about their responsibility towards elderly member can foster a culture of care. It emphasizing the importance of understanding children, legal and moral obligation their parents, which can help reduce neglect. The third, community support programs. Building community programs that provide support and resources for family caring for parents can ease some of the burden. This program can offer financial assistance, counseling, and respite care, ensuring the family has necessary tools to effectively care for their elderly relative. The fourth, promote social engagement. Encouraging social interaction for seniors can reduce isolation and improving their support network, showing that social isolation can lead to neglect. So, community activity and support groups can help keep older individuals connected and engaged. The fifth, monitoring and reporting system. Implementing a system to monitor the well-being of elderly individuals can help identify cases of neglect early on. This can involve regular check-in by social workers or community volunteers who can report signs of neglect to the appropriate authorities. The sixth, encouraging family communication. Promoting open communication within family about the needs and challenge faced by the elderly member can foster a supportive environment. So, In the conclusion, preventing neglect in the elderly requires a combination of law enforcement, education, community support, social engagement, monitoring system, and family communication. By addressing their art, we can create the more supportive environment for older individuals, ensuring they receive the care and respect they deserve. Well, maybe that's all my explaining. I hope this material can help you. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.